As British scientist Peter Weverly has observed, the Earth day is not a very good timekeeper. Earth's slightly irregular rotation rate means that the measurements of time must be periodically adjusted. Specifically, an extra leap second. That's our subject here. And the verb is, and then we have is added. Whenever time based on the planet's rotation lags a full ninth of a second behind time kept by precise atomic clocks. So we see the verb here, lags, and the time will be the subject. Now this might confuse you thinking that oh, we have a two independent clauses, but it's the part in the blank is more acting as like a complement. Now when I say complement, it's like we're praising stuff. It's like what makes the sentence complete. Because if you just leave the sentence, extra leap second is added. It's not complete. We need to more make it more specific because not only that we have a word specifically, we gotta make it specific how it's added. Whenever time based on the planet's rotation lags, whenever time lags, we need that information to make it complete. So the correct answer should be D without any punctuations. In other words, we need to make this restrictive that leap second is added whenever time lags. Okay, so that way it's going to sound very complete. Now, all the other punctuation you put will break that flow. It will interrupt the main clause or ideas of main clause. Now, easily we can eliminate choice C because when you say when you completely start new, whenever time based on the planet's rotation lags, because of the word whenever acting like a subordinated conjunction in the sentence, it cannot stand by itself. Okay, you just create a dependent clause by itself, then it's not grammatically correct. Dependent clause, just like the word dependent, needs independent clause in the full sentence. Okay, it might be separated by comma, but you need the independent clause. Choice B, you can eliminate that because you know that semicolon, again, it requires another new independent clause. Just like choice C, we're not getting an independent clause, so B is out. Choice A is very tempting. That's because people might think, oh, I think whenever time lags, it may be considered as dependent clause, and I'm separating it from independent clause. Now, subtly, mechanically, you might be correct, but A is not correct because you are really separating how it's added. If you just say sleep second is added, and whenever time is based, it's not the right place to put the comma because um, you would not make the complement to complete the sentence. So when I say complement, it's like the whole thing after whenever. So this will be a little more challenging other question, but yes, you should not have any comma for smooth flow of the complete sentence. The correct answer should be D.